Infielder, right-handed batter, stands in against Long. First pitch. Fastball right down the middle for a called strike. It's 0-1. And the 0-1. Fastball up and away. 1 ball, 1 strike. Long, who does like direction. 1-1. Slider swing and a miss. Lee was out in front. And it counts. He also has a slider, splitter, and a curve. 1-2 from Long. Here's the slider, and it's a little bit outside. 2 balls, 2 on Lee. Long throws, and Lee fouls it away. Straight back. Workman with his lead off first. He takes off for second. Pitch is low. Throw by Ardua on the bounce. Gets away from Burns into center field. Workman gets up. He's trying for third. Williams' throw to third is late. Gage Workman steals second base, and then runner on third. 3-2 to Lee. Lee taps it foul up the third base line. Still 3 balls. Long at the set delivers a 3-2, and Lee fouls it back into the netting. 3-2, nobody out. The pitch. Lee swings it off his foot, foul, and he goes down on the ground on his backside, and he is in some pain. The ball squirted off his foot. Back to the pitcher Long. It almost looked like a comebacker, but Lee immediately falling. Alvarez, manager for the Seawolves, out to check as well on their top 15 prospect. Lee's now going to jog down to third just to test out the leg. Not exactly sure if it caught him on the ankle or the shin. Either way, that part never feels good when you hit it off that part of the body. 10 on the at-bat coming up, 3-2. And it's in the dirt, gets away from Ardua. Here comes the runner Workman, and Workman scores standing up. And it's 1-0 Seawolves on the wild pitch from Long. So 2 batters in.
Space is empty. How you Lee will bat. The first pitch is called a strike on the outer third. Breaking ball makes it to the 3:09 mark down the line here at Prince George's Stadium as the 0-1 misses high. A ball and a strike on the right field line. The 1-1 pitch. Swing and a miss from Lee. The pause from Long. White palette in front of his mostly black cap. And the 1-2 pitch. It's a cold strike 3. Fastball rung the outside part of the zone. And Long picks up his first strikeout. Erie does add on a run on the solo bomb from Gage Workman. Bowie trails 2-0 heading to the bottom of the third so far. Has just allowed the 1 base runner via a walk. Next pitch to Williams is chopped on the ground over towards second base. Charging in Lee is able to glove underhand and lob it over to first. In time to reset. 2-0 to Dante Williams. There's a chopper over towards second. Lee is able to snare off his left tip and get the throw on to first in time to retire the sign.
Lit up, but he's pitched much better as of late. Here's how you Lee, and Lee pulls one down the left field line over the head of Higgins, the third baseman, into the left field corner. Rounding third and scoring is Scott. And to third goes Cruz. Into second goes Lee, and the Seawolves have retaken the lead. How you Lee with an RBI double down the left field line. Third base side of the rubber, kicks and throws. Ground ball to short, backhanded by Bencosme. Comes home, tag applied by Ardua, and Cruz is out at the plate before being promoted to Bowie in August. Here's a ground ball into left field, a base hit. Scoring from third is Lee, and the Seawolves double their lead. Jake Holt, RBI number 8 on the season for the DH. And it's down.
First pitch is cut on a miss. 0-1. A 4-2 lead. 0-1. And Lee, check swing. He went around after the appeal down to first. Last night until there was 2 outs in the 8th inning. 0-2 pitch. And it misses low off the shoe tops of Lee. Answered every Erie charge ahead. The 1-2 pitch is charged down the left field line, racing into the corner, Fabian, but it hooks foul. Set works quickly out of the windup. The 1-2 pitch. Swing and a miss. He got him. Now you can see what the hype is about from Cameron Weston.
Yeah, double in the 5th. First pitch is a fastball, middle in. Peers over at 7, and now deals. Another fastball, another strike. No doubles defense. 0-2, slider, got him swinging. Foul tipped into Ardua's glove. 8 Ks for Weston in his Double-A debut. He's